Confused by all the options? PRP, A2M, stem cells. You're not alone. Let's untangle which biologic fits best with which patient, when. You can learn about all of this and more in the book. It includes clinical integration and advanced techniques. It's questions like this as to why I wrote the book, Regenerative Medicine Practice. This is going to help further your skill set and to help you be able to help more people in your community and bringing in regenerative medicine. In this book, I highlight my 25 years of experience as a healthcare provider in all the different areas of healthcare, especially regenerative medicine. I wrote this book thinking I wish somebody would have told me this when I first got into regenerative medicine. What are all the different definitions? What is out there? And it is an ever-changing area. However, I wish somebody would have told me this when I was new into regenerative medicine. Where are the resources? What are my lanes? What are things I can say and can't say? So that's why I wrote this book. There is no other book out there like this. Over the last 25 years, I've been very blessed to be able to work with thousands of providers and experts in gaining new skill set and technique and being able to sharpen that and bring that into the patient care setting. And with that, I've seen phenomenal patient outcomes. So join me on this journey, learning how to bring this in and learn from experts and bring this skill set to a whole new level. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, comment below, or reach out to us. I'm happy to answer any questions.